Welcome back to our Saturday morning cooking class. This week we're going to make fudgy brownies. It's a recipe that my sister has, but it's also found on all recipes online. So to make the fudgy brownies, the ingredients you need are 3/4 of a cup unsweetened cocoa powder, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. You need 2/3 of a cup vegetable oil, but you need them in separate. So 1/3 of a cup vegetable oil at the beginning and 1/3 of a cup in the middle. You also need 2 cups of white sugar, 2 eggs, which we've already cracked. They're in a cup here. 1 1/3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. So our first step is to stir together the cocoa powder and the baking soda. And then you add the first 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. And after that, you add the sugar. Okay. And the eggs. And the remaining 1/3 of a cup of oil. So after it's well blended, you add the vanilla, the flour, and the salt. We like to put our salt in the flour first.
Mix it up a little bit. Great.
So it's really, really thick. And you pour it into your pan and spread it out evenly.
We have our oven preheated to 350. Here's our brownies.
So we're going to go ahead and put those in the oven, like Miss Erin said, 350 degrees, preheated for about 35 to 40 minutes. And we'll be right back. It's all fudgy on the inside, crunchy on the outside. So, we hope you enjoyed this recipe.
And coming up next week, we're going to make a frozen key lime pie, mini frozen key lime pies for Mr. Brett's birthday.
Yeah, so join us next Saturday for that.
Yep. Thank you. Bye.